Hello, everybody. Welcome to Make Him Love You. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can get updated every time I post another video. I'm gonna wait. And now that you've hit that bell button and you've subscribed, we'll proceed. I just want to start off by saying, before we get into it, thank you to Malachi. He's putting in a lot of work on these videos with me. So I want to say thank you to him. Really dope, really dope. We work really hard to give you guys these videos, and I'm really happy to see that you guys are really enjoying them. So no more waiting. I'm gonna get right into it today. And today's topic is how to get over a breakup. So you want to get over this breakup, and you guys either got into a big argument, or you found out he cheated or whatever it is. You want to get over the breakup. The first thing you have to do is delete his number. Now, I know a lot of you are going to be like, delete the number? What if I want to keep talking my you know what? Nah, don't. Why are you going to waste your time? Why are you going to waste your time? It doesn't make sense. There's no sense in that. Just delete the number. Delete the number. Block the number, right? Some of you hold on to the number. Some of you might even delete it. But then some of you know what you'll do? You'll delete the number, but you'll maybe screenshot the number and then, maybe hit him up a few months down the road. No. I'm not dumb. I wasn't born yesterday. This is a different type of channel. We get into it in this channel. We get into it for real. Let's be honest. Let's be honest. That's what y'all do. I'm telling you, he's not worth it. He's not worth it. Okay? So I'm letting you guys know that the first thing you gotta make sure you do is delete the number. Delete the number. Second thing you guys want to make sure you do is you want to make sure that if you had posters of this person in your room, you take them down. Basically, remove all imagery. Imagery will haunt you. Imagery will make your mind play games, will make your mind play tricks. If you want him to get out of your mind, you can't surround yourselves with pictures of this person. You can't. So if you have posters up, if your screensaver is this person, change it, right? A lot of this stuff, some of you do this stuff. Some of you will do it. But then some of you on social media, which is the step number 3, take him off your social media. What in the world? Like what? Some of y'all will leave 2 pictures, 3 pictures. I still love him. Take it off. Take it off the social media. Take it off. You don't need it. You don't need it. Take it off social media. Get it off of there. Because if you're trying to erase the image, let's be real, you're always on Instagram. You're going to be looking at it all the time. Come on now. Let's be real. This channel is about being real. You're going to see the picture. unless you're in denial, and even if you are, it's not gonna help your case. So take it off social media. You're better than that. You're better than that. Better than that. So, step number 3, make sure you take all images, all pictures, posters, take them down. Imagery is not good because you'll play with your mind. You'll be constantly thinking of who this person is, what they did, blah blah blah, right? So make sure you guys do that. Step number 4 is to just flat out ignore the person. Now, in some cases, what will happen is this person will then try to talk to you, but it's your job to ignore this person. It's your job to ignore this person and not entertain them. Just don't entertain. And it's going to be tempting. It's going to be very, very, very tempting. I'm being honest. But you have to overcome. You have to overcome. So ignore whatever they say, if they try, unless it's something that you cannot ignore, it's crazy, you have to bring it to the authorities or something crazy, or they egg your house or something crazy, I don't know. Just ignore and move on with your life. Your life is precious. Have value. You're you. Nobody else is you. Nobody else gets to be you. Right? There's got to be some value in that. And a lot of you don't see the value in yourselves, and you degrade yourselves. And the 5th thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to be at peace with yourself. Be at peace with yourself. Because at the end of the day, this is your life. You're the one breathing in air. You're the one eating. You're the one walking. You're the one going to work. This is your life. If you're not at peace with yourself, none of these steps will work. This video is useless if you're not at peace with yourself. Don't watch this video if you're not at peace with yourself. Pause the video if you're not at peace with yourself right now. Go meditate. Go think. Come back. And then we could have a discussion. Okay? Step number 5, make sure you are at peace with yourself. Very, very important. And if you do all these steps, you'll be on your way to a speedy and healthy recovery. You guys are awesome. You people are great. I see the support. I see the comments. Continue to show support. Continue to drop comments. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. And a lot of you are thanking me. No, thank you. Thank you. So, more videos on the way. Thank you for watching. And stay tuned for more.